everyone. So today we'll be doing a project overview of our Azure Data Factory as what project will be going to cover in this session, right? Let's understand. So let's say there is a hotel user and they capture some of the reviews and the reviews are basically generated in a CSV file and the content of a CSV file looks like something like this. So not daily actually they capture the reviews, but let's say maybe on alternate date, whenever the reviews are being captured, they put it inside their file server. So they are maintaining the on-premises file share where they put all of these CSV files. All right, something like this. Now the structure of these CSV files is actually the YYYY, that is year, month, and date, and after that the timestamp as well as when it got added. This is how actually they're capturing the results. Let's say, okay. Now, out of these, the important information that we need is the date actually. I'll tell you why. But we need to, first of all, from these CSV files, we need to capture the important part that is the date. That means YYYY hyphen MM hyphen DD. That is the important things that we need to do. Now, we need to transfer all of these CSV files to a Azure Data Lake storage, but on a certain condition. So we want to transfer all of the CSV files based on their date using the from the on-premises file share to data lake. But we have a condition over here, right? We'll be using the activity to transfer the data and all. We have a condition that we will not send basically, let's say this particular pipeline or this particular data factory pipelines run daily at 12 p.m. So daily it will not pick up all the files. What files we want to transfer based on today's date? Let's say this data factory pipeline runs daily at 12 p.m. Let's say today is 15 January 2024. And whenever the files are matching with today's date only, whatever the files are there with the today's date only, then only it will be transferred to the data lake. That is, this is also called as incremental load. So we won't be doing a full load. Full load means you are transferring all the files, but incremental load is actually based on certain increments. So we have a condition that whatever files today are matching with today's date only, whatever the files are there on the on-premises file share that is matching with today's date, that files only will be transferred or copied to the data lake storage. That what we'll be doing. So in this particular thing, we'll be leveraging the conditional statement for each loop as well, and also we'll be leveraging get metadata activity, the that will be leveraging in our Azure Data Factory. So I hope the project is clear, right? Thank you everyone.